Hey guys, what's up? K-Babes, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Okivia, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty and fashion. So be sure to subscribe so you won't miss another video from me, and turn on your notification. That way you'll always be notified every single time I upload. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my vanity tour, my makeup mirror, how I store my makeup, and all of those things, and all of the decor surrounding it. So if you guys are interested in any of those things, then just keep watching. Thanks guys. Alright, so let's start at these shelves up here on the top. So these shelves are from Target, and they came in a set together. I didn't get them individually, and they were fairly priced. I think they were like $20 something, so really good price. And then all of the decor that is on it is either from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. All of my Christmas decor, I have a video of talking about my Christmas decor and where I got each item from and how I decorated this whole area, so I will link that below if you guys are interested in checking that out. My mirror, it was actually made by my dad. My dad made this mirror for me. The intention was for me to make it myself, but hey, I'm good at beauty, I'm good at fashion, and I'm good at IT stuff, but I'm not good at handiwork, so I had no idea what I was doing, but I'm sure I could have figured it out. But to make it easier on myself, I let my dad do it. So he put it all together, he made it, and I love the way that it turned out. And it does light up, it does fully functionally work. I can show you guys. It actually gives out some of the best lighting, and I'm actually very surprised at how good the lighting is. This K here is from TJ Maxx as well, and then the drawers that I have here are also from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I have a mixture of everything from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. They're pretty much the same store. They sell the same items. And in those drawers I keep lip liners, liquid lipsticks, lip gloss, and things like that. I'm not going to go through a makeup collection, but let me know if you guys would like to see a makeup collection, and then if you do, I will go ahead and do one for you guys. So that is sitting on a tabletop. So this tabletop is actually a shelf that I got from Lowe's as well, and I believe it's a 14-inch shelf, I believe, and it sits right on top of these two drawers here that I got from Michael's. I have a video of talking about these drawers, where I got them from, how much I paid for them. When I initially got these drawers, they were on sale. A lot of people ask me how I got them so cheap. They were on sale when I got mine. You just have to look out for the sale. They always have coupon codes like 40% off, but they're not really as good as when they are on sale. My most recent ones was this one here on top, because I got two, and then I got one, and then I got another one. So the one here on top, I actually got that one on Memorial Day, and they were having another sale, and I think I paid like $40 for it. So you just have to keep up with the sale. I get messages about that all of the time, because it's one of my most viewed videos, so I get questions about it all the time. But honestly guys, they were just on sale when I got mine. I didn't do anything special. I didn't have a special coupon code or nothing like that. I just catch the sales. So that's why I say just keep your eye out for them. They do hold a good amount of makeup, as you guys can see, and you can get a lot of makeup and things like that in there. I keep hair care, skincare, and makeup in mine. I don't know about clothes. I've never kept clothes in mine. I get questions about that too. You probably can keep like bras and underwears and stuff, but I wouldn't put anything heavy in it. That is the entire vanity area. Now I'm going to turn it around and show you guys my filming area and where I store my like everyday makeup reach force. So this is pretty much where I film all of my makeup videos. Sometimes this vanity is behind me, sometimes my green screen is up behind me, but this is pretty much where I sit. It's right here in front of this window, and it just works out perfectly with the lighting and everything. Sometimes the lighting can be a little hectic, because like today it's super cloudy. Sometimes the sun is like right there shining on me, so it washes me out. I work around it. So this is also my desk where I edit all my videos and everything like that. So here I have my MacBook. This is what I use to edit my videos. This table is from Walmart. It is a writing desk, and I just have marble contact paper on top of it. It does also have a drawer. I don't really use that drawer. Alright, so I do keep my makeup brushes on here because, like I said, this is where I do my filming at. And the tray that it is in is also from TJ Maxx, and it also has a mirror on the inside, and it's just super cute. I thought it was really cute to keep like beauty blenders and makeup brushes and just miscellaneous stuff like that in there. This is the mirror that I use to film with. I want another mirror. I feel like a lot of times in my video you guys will see me squatting down or like trying to get close to the mirror, and I want a taller one. I want a bigger one where I can actually see myself, you know. For now, I'm working with what I got, and I got that one from TJ Maxx. Then I keep like miscellaneous stuff like deodorant, body sprays, pens and pencils, tissue, my clean swipe? Yeah, the little brush cleanser thing, and setting spray, and my camera remote also on this desk. And then I have another one of the acrylic containers that I got from TJ Maxx. This one is a lot bigger. The other ones were 3 stacked on top of each other, or either 5 stacked on top of each other, but this one is one about the size of those stacked on top of each other. It's a bigger one. Okay, so in this drawer here, I just have some lipsticks from Bite Beauty and Maybelline lip balms. These are just ones, and like lip glosses and just like lip exfoliators and stuff like that. Kind of stuff that I need to kind of take care of my lips. And then I just have these Bite Beauty ones in here because I have all of my lipsticks coordinated by brand, and I didn't have anywhere to put Bite Beauty, so I had Bite Beauty in this one. Everything is so dusty, so you know, excuse that I need to dust. In this one, I just keep the MAC Studio Fix because I use this as foundation when I'm not filming. And then I have my Anastasia Brow Wiz Wet n Wild concealer. Like, these products you guys see all the time. CoverGirl poreless primer, some mascaras, have some lash glue because this is the lash glue that I use, and then Laura Mercier concealer. And then in this one we have this L'Oreal Bronzy, the butter bronzer, the butter blush, and then we have the Juvia's Place Nubian palette, Shayla's palette. So these are just things that you guys see a lot, and I reach for them a lot. And then on top of that, I have my screen here. This is an Acer screen, a computer screen. This is the screen that I use. I connect this screen to my camera to see myself better because sometimes I can't see myself on this little tiny screen that come on the camera. Alright guys, and there you have it. This is my complete vanity tour and how I store my makeup, where I store my makeup, and all the decor surrounding it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss another upload from me. And yes, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.